Good morning to everybody. Today in geometric progression, I will take an example to find out the number from the beginning and from the last. Terms are given to you 1 upon 27, 1 upon 9, 1 upon 3, and the last term is 81. Now the question is that find the product of the 4 term from the beginning and the 4 term from the end. Listen, GP is given to you. Terms are 1 upon 27, 1 upon 9, 1 upon 3, and the last term is 81. Find the product of the 4 term. Product of the 4 term from the beginning and 4 term from the end. It means we have to find out the value of the 4 term from the beginning and also the 4 term from the last. So first we will find out the first term 1 upon 27, and then the common ratio is 1 upon 9 upon 1 upon 27, that is 27 upon 9 is equal to 3. Now the R, that is the common ratio, is 3, and the first term is 1 upon 27. Now here last term is given 81, that is nth value. So the T4 from the beginning. So first from this equation, that is last term is equal to A into R power n minus 1, we will find out the value of the number of terms. So the last term is given to 81, that is the nth value. A is 1 upon 27, R is 3, the power n minus 1. Then if we factorize the 81, that is 81 into 27 is equal to 3 to the power n minus 1. 81, 3 4, and the 27, 3 to the power 3. That is 3 to the power 7 is equal to 3 to the power n minus 1. Now the base is same, so power n minus 1 is equal to 7, so n is equal to 8. Now here A is 1 upon 27, common ratio is 3, n is 8. Now we have to find out the term 4 from the beginning, and we know that the 4 term is equal to A into R power 3. Then A is 1 upon 27 into R is 3, 3 to the power 3. That is 1 upon 27 into 27 divided out. Then the 4th term is 1. Now 4th term from the last, that is last term is 81, and we know that T4 from the last is L upon R to the power n minus 1, where L is the last term, and you know the formula, last term is equal to T4 R n minus 1. So this T4 from the last term is 81, R is 3, n minus 1. Here n is 4, so 81 upon 3, 4 minus 1 is equal to 81 upon 3 power 3, that is 81 upon 27 divided out, you get the 3. So the T4 from the end is 3 and T4 from the beginning is 1. Then T4 into T1, and that is from the last is equal to 3 into 1, that is 3. So the product of the 4 terms from the beginning and the 4 terms from the end is 3. So the question is very simple. Find the 4 term from the beginning by using the formula A's value is equal to A into R n k minus 1. So from 1, this first determine the n, you know A and R, and then T4 from the beginning, that is A R ki power 3, that is T4 is 1, and the T4 from the last. So here last term is 81, so T4 from the last is L upon R n minus 1 power, this is formula. So last term is 81, 3 to the power n minus 1. Here T4, that is n is 4, and we get here T4 is equal to 3. So product of the T4 from beginning and T4 from the end is 3 into 1, that is 3. So if you like my videos, please share and subscribe. Thanks very much.